back in the cut. All you trade pros out there, I'm Egan Govender, bringing you the live information as we see it every day on the crypto markets. All the latest projects, opportunities, potential, everything that you guys can imagine right here at one spot. Tune in every single day and we're here to give you some information. Right now, guys, I'm back to share with you guys, obviously, Bitcoin. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin. Currently, as we can see, Bitcoin is still doing terrible. On an overall, for the day, it's been trending downwards. In the last few hours, it recovered from a low of 29,000. So it dipped below the 30,000 mark and it rebounded at that point. I want to take the time out just to explain to you guys a couple of different techniques and strategies of what people do in this instance. There's a couple of ways of trading this, trading on Bitcoin. Very simply, most institutions and swing traders would buy at the dip. So what does that mean? Whenever a asset or any crypto is falling, and it has held value for a long place of time, like Bitcoin example, or the top tier cryptos, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, the top list on there. You can see that every time there is a dip, you get institutions, you get big investors, exchanges, etc. They wait for the dip, and right at the bottom of the dip, they buy in at that point. Because when you get in at the lowest point valuable, you buy in low, you sell high. That's the simple methodology of it. So it could have been a big profit-taking opportunity to get people out. That's one way of looking at it. But it's also a nice little uptrend. So you need to get some confirmation firstly. And that confirmation would be a candlestick above on the MACD above. As you can see, we're on the first candlestick. You got a cross out here. And you can see the two moving averages. I've got a 14 and 40, short term, long term, and it's ducking underneath the candlesticks right now, which means there is a big up push pressure on it. So if it hit the bottom, there's an opportunity for a buy signal on a 1 hour chart. Remember this. Remember your charts as well, because time frame is very important. On an overall, on a longer time frame, on a daily chart, we still have a long way to go because it's still just two candlesticks, meaning for the past 2 days, it's on a green candlestick because it went up from the point that it started at. As you can see, there is a big wick, so it did drop lowly and then it came back up. But there is a big opportunity if this closes out where these two moving averages gets underneath the market or underneath the candlesticks. You have an upward pressure and it's a good buy signal at that time just to confirm your buy or your entry point. But right now we're still on a longer time frame on a sell, if I would say, or a sell market. Shorter time frames a bit better. I want to go in for your 4 hourly traders, your low slow input traders, the guys that love to trade quickly for a couple of hours in and out for the day and take some profits. And these that right now you can see it's a very good clear cut opportunity for a buy right now. I would wait a little bit for confirmation, maybe for it to break this 31,800 mark if you're buying in for a couple of hours or very short time frame. Got it on a 15-minute chart right now to see exactly what's the volatility on this and do a technical analysis. There's a number of ways of trading. You have technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis means trading on the news. So right now, a lot of people are saying sell Bitcoin, Bitcoin's falling. This is the news. So what you have a lot of people selling off just because of the FUD around it, just because of the news around all of the smoke. Now that's what creates sell pressure. People get nervous. Obviously, they're not following the technique and strategy or the plan that they've set out for the investments. So they sell right now. I've spoken to several investors around the world. Obviously, they're buying right now because it's a great time to buy. But the emotional traders and investors would sell because they don't know what to do. And I'm talking about physically selling their assets, not holding on. and they would lose money at that point. Then you have the other option of the traders. So the day traders and people that are trading on this asset, meaning they don't physically own the asset, they're trading on the futures or they're trading on the price action, right? You could do it in several different ways, whether it be leveraged or not. And these individuals can sell and buy short, long, the market moving forward. Now on that side, there is an opportunity to go on the sell, which is, I think is a bit late right now. You might get in on another, if there is another down pull, there might be an opportunity right there. But on a longer time frame, it's still early days to buy. You need to wait for a confirmation because it's still not a clear buy signal. I'm looking at it on a daily chart. You see the daily chart, as you can see, there's a big spread on there. It's still far away. Those candlesticks, when they start to come closer to the moving averages, you know there's a lot more opportunity. Right now, it's still a bit further away, and you know it's a sell still, right? If you can see right here, I got a sell signal, and this sell signal was here, right, 45,000. If I sold on that price, I would have made a hell of a lot of money, which I did. So there's good opportunities for trading on the markets in different instances. One, as I said, I'll highlight is a swing trade, which I just mentioned to you guys. Buy in low when everybody's selling, buy. That's buying in low, sell high. The other way is to follow the trend and obviously sell right now. These are the options you have, or buy in and hold. If you're a hodler, buy right now. Don't get nervous, don't trade emotionally. I'm Egan Govender. We're here to give you all of the latest information, all on the crypto markets, everything you need to know at one place. Projects, opportunities, trading opportunities, everything you need to know about NFTs, projects, opportunities, launch pads, etc., all in one place. Always come to us, like, subscribe, hit the video, send us some information, like, comment, give us all of that good juice. Take care, guys. Looking forward to see you next time.